If you need to back up your work or share project information outside ProofHub, exporting data is the best option. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export data from ProofHub step by step in 2026. First, sign in to your ProofHub account and open your main workspace where all projects and data are stored. Next, navigate to the section you want to export data from. This could be tasks, timesheets, reports, files, or discussions depending on what you need. Now look for the Export option or Reports section. Many ProofHub tools allow you to generate reports that can be downloaded in formats like PDF or CSV. Choose the specific data you want to export. For example, you might select task lists, time logs, project reports, or file summaries. Next, select the format for your export. Depending on your workspace, you may be able to download data as a PDF, CSV, or Excel file. Once everything is set, click Export or Download. ProofHub will generate your file and save it to your device. Open the downloaded file and review your data to make sure everything has been exported correctly and nothing is missing. For best results, apply filters before exporting so you only download the data you actually need. This keeps your reports clean and easy to analyze. And that's how to export data from ProofHub. Yeah, exporting your data regularly helps you keep backups, share reports, and stay organized across projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.